Hello and welcome to this video tutorial where we cover optimizing your Instagram photo to increase viewership. In this module, we're going to learn two main things, which are the technique of taking beautiful photos of an object or person and how to edit your Instagram photos with a photo editor app. Instagram is an online mobile photo sharing site where users can take pictures and share them either publicly or privately on the app. In April 2012, Facebook acquired Instagram for $1 billion US. Instagram then grew by 23% as a result. There are as many as 500 million active users every month as of June 2016, and it's not going to stop there. This would indicate that Instagram is here to stay for the long haul. As Instagram is a photo-driven sharing app, the strategy here is to get as many views on your uploads as possible, and this is done primarily through optimizing your photo. Normal and bland photos do not quite do it these days because everyone is doing it and audiences get desensitized. A normal bland photo could easily be ignored and overlooked just by scrolling through. Photos need to be taken creatively and have visual pop to cut through the noise created by other photos. This is achieved through photo optimization. So first, let's cover taking product photos. The most important part is to understand that photos are used to communicate your idea and your message, be it your brand message or your campaign message. For example, if your brand identity or the business that you're in represents fun, progress, and youthfulness, then you could consider posting photos of the beach, road trips, parties, and the like. Similar if your brand has the elements of authority, leadership, and poise. You should consider uploading photos of people in suits and ties, gala parties, wine, and other similar associations. The point is, you need to be sure of the three keywords that represent your brand or business to have these strategies and tactics work best for you. Now back to optimizing your photo. The first thing you need to take note of is the background. Find a nice and clean background for your product. Less is more. The purpose of having a background is to make your product stand out and grab the attention of your audience. It's okay to have a clean and simple background because the spotlight is on your product. Also, you can consider having contrasting colors as your background. For example, your product is bright yellow in color. A plain black or white background would be the best choice. You don't want to bombard your audiences with too many colors on their Instagram feed. Next is the composition of your photo. A good composition makes a huge difference in your photos. The first thing to take note of is the, quote, breathing space of your photo. Imagine if you walk into a storeroom that's small in size and packed with stuff. You'll definitely feel cramped as there's very little space for you to move around. A composition in a photo works much the same way. Leave sufficient, quote, breathing space in your photo so that your viewers get the message immediately unless cramped up photos are intended and may be part of your brand's expression. The way you place your product is important too. There are two ways that you can consider. Organized or casual. In organized, place your products in the middle of the frame to make it the focus point. You may also consider placing your camera on top of your product to create a top overview. This is primarily used as a product profile shot. It's clean, neat, and has a simple background. In casual, it's an extension of organized, where you place the product in its natural setting and how it's intended to be used. For example, a product like a bed sheet is taken in a room, set up just like how it's supposed to be used. The tricky part is you don't want to overdo it and make it look messy. Different angles communicate a different feel in a product shot. High angle shots create a dynamic feel to a shot. Products that are tilted towards the camera create an inviting feeling, and products taken from above produces a modern and contemporary look. As a general rule of thumb, you can always use the, quote, rule of thirds for your photo composition. The rule of thirds is a technique derived from the use of early grid systems in composition. It divides a medium into three parts both vertically and horizontally, creating an invisible grid of 9 rectangles and 4 intersections. The primary element within a design is then positioned on an intersection of the grid. Next up are photo editing apps that will help you with designing and editing your photos. VSCO or Visco is a favorite photo editing app. It contains hundreds of filters and settings that people are able to use to create a unique photo. There are 4 kinds of filters in Visco with different settings that will bring your photo to the next level. First up is the analog filter named A4 in Visco. This filter turns the color of your photo into a brown-like warm tone, giving it a vintage feel. Next is the mood filter called M3. This filter gives a hint of sepia tone to your photo and creates a nostalgic feel. It gives the illusion of your photos being captured from an old movie camera, and you can always adjust the setting to suit your objectives. If you're moving more towards a black or dark tone, this street etiquette filter, it pretty well does the job. It's called SE3 in Visco, and it changes the photo into a darker shade, giving an intense feeling to your photo. The last filter that I'm going to introduce is called G3. It's a portrait filter. This filter gives a sunny, warm tone to your photo, and it's very suitable for outdoor photo shoots. Welcome back to this video course. In this video, you'll learn how to personalize your Instagram profile to attract prospects. Before I begin, let's go through what you'll learn by the end of this video. Techniques to personalize your Instagram feed creatively, and tools to help you with that personalization. In your profile, you'd want to take care of the first impression that you create with your public audience as they're going through your Instagram feed. It's from your public audience where you get potential prospects who then find out more about your products or services and then turn into customers and give you sales. In real life, it takes 7 seconds for a first impression to happen. It's pretty fast. Online, however, it only takes 3 seconds or less. So the first step in creating a great impression on your Instagram feed is to standardize your photo sizes. You can do this by selecting only one type of cropping. A feed with different sized cropped photos only makes your profile look messy and inconsistent. So take a look at these photos here. This is exactly what your prospect is going to see if you have a messy Instagram feed. And this is why standardizing your Instagram feed is such an important step to take. Also, you need to be careful with your consistency. Choose only one type of cropping. From the slide, there are 2 ways you can choose to post your photo, either by cropping it or leaving it the same size. Unless the intention is to upload full-sized landscape and portrait photos and you don't want the photo to be cropped. In that case, use the No Crop app available on Google Play or the Apple App Store. The example shows 2 types of standardized Instagram feed. You can choose the one that best suits you. You can get really creative in creating an Instagram feed by uploading your photos in a grid style. What it means is that you crop a photo into multiple photos of the same size and post them one by one on your Instagram, as you see in the waterfall above. You can also integrate it into your marketing launch by adding a hint of mystery as you reveal your latest product using this method. It creates curiosity and encourages your audience to click through and find out more. It's best for you to stick with at most 2 sizes in your feed. The best grid sizes are maybe 3x3 or 2x2. The example shows 2 different gridding sizes, which are 3x2 and 2x2. Different gridding sizes communicate different design and feelings. Our top recommended app to use for creating a grid effect is called Instagrid. It's available for download on Google Play and the Apple App Store, and it's very simple to use. When you've downloaded the app, select the photo you want to grid, select the ideal size that you want to post, and then it automatically posts to Instagram. Hi, and welcome back to this video tutorial. In this video, you'll learn about how to optimize your Instagram posts to engage with your audience. By the end of this module, you'll learn how to structure your Instagram posts, create content with value, and what effective tools there are to help manage your posts. A good Instagram post is more than just snapping a photo, applying a filter, and posting it to your newsfeed. To create an engaging Instagram post, it needs to be crafted and consistent with your brand values and core identity. For example, if you're selling a coffee-related product, you can consider uploading profile shots of the different types of beans, and for each, the unique taste, color, and texture. You could also upload shots of the different types of coffee beverages like a latte, a cappuccino, a chocolate mocha, an espresso, and even various coffee art. Take it one step further by bringing your audience on a journey where you tell them your brand story through the photo caption. Continuing with the coffee example, it would be the story of the origins of the coffee from bean to cup. Here you can take Instagram photos of the process of harvesting a coffee tree, its export, and right up to the barista serving the cup of coffee. Why this is interesting and engaging is because it offers a one-of-a-kind, behind-the-scenes journey for your audience. It's a journey that they can take from the comforts and convenience of their mobile phone. There are peak times to post, and scheduling apps and tools make it much easier. The first one would be Schedugram. It offers a free 7-day trial, and plans start at $20. Schedugram is a great scheduling tool that allows you to upload single or multiple images at once, and you can choose bulk video if you're uploading video. Also, you're able to edit the images with different filters and post them either immediately or schedule them for a later time. You also have the option to receive an email notification once your content has been posted. The best thing about Schedugram is that it automates every pre-scheduled post and then posts them on your behalf. You don't have to worry about not receiving any reminder because Schedugram manages it for you. Next is Hootsuite. Many businesses and marketers are already using Hootsuite to manage their social media activity. Hootsuite's Instagram account management options allow you to schedule posts via the Hootsuite mobile app. You can cross-post the same content on other social media sites like Facebook or Twitter. Hootsuite allows you to upload content and schedule it for multiple platforms at once. It's a great tool to consider if you're looking for a more inclusive, all-in-one management dashboard for multiple social media sites. The best time to post on Instagram is between 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Monday through Friday, according to Hootsuite Analytics. And though there are no hard and fast rules on the best time to post, it's recommended that you test it out and track your audience's responses. Hello and welcome to this video course. In this module, you'll learn how to use Instagram ads to generate more leads. Before I start the chapter though, let's go through the outline of this tutorial, which is that you'll learn the types and formats of Instagram ads, and you'll learn about how to create ads that stand out. Businesses now have the option to not only increase brand awareness, but also to increase website visits and offline sales through Instagram ads. There are 3 types of sponsored Instagram ads: image, video, and carousel. All 3 include a clickable Learn More button that directs followers to your website. Image ads are single photos that tell a story through images. This ad format is what launched the world of Instagram ads. Advertisers have the option to create sponsored posts featuring a product or service offered. It also has the option to include a call to action that redirects to the appropriate page of the business website. These can include phrases such as shop now, install now, sign up, learn more, and so on. What's really awesome about Instagram picture ads is that this option is open to all advertisers located in any country. In video ads, it's different from organic Instagram videos. In an attempt to develop a cinematic feel, Instagram has rolled out 60-second video ads, which you can shoot in either landscape or portrait format. These ads allow advertisers to persuade, influence, and sell to audiences visually. A carousel ad enhances your Instagram storytelling because it can include up to 4 photos. Retailers, car companies, and nonprofits have been at the forefront of this new ad product, and it works great for brands and businesses that sell multiple products. With Instagram's carousel ads, advertisers are able to showcase multiple photos within a single ad, as well as a link to the brand's website or webpage. And there are some great features that have been rolled out by Instagram to help advertisers and businesses grab attention and drive traffic. The first feature is, the image. In previous versions, images and photos shared on Instagram had to be cropped into a square format. And while that option is still available, the newer version now allows the use of landscape and portrait formats. These formats allow you to make your images taller or wider than the original square format, giving you better creative options for your images. You can now also use sponsored videos on Instagram. It's most successful when you capture engaging content that's relevant to the target audience. Instagram ads can be up to 60 seconds in length. Other recommended video specs include either MOV or MP4 format with a minimum resolution of 720 pixels and a widescreen aspect ratio of 16:9. To create an Instagram video ad, you can choose from a variety of objectives. To keep it simple, let's look at the video views objective. When you choose a video for the visual portion of your ad, you'll be asked to upload a video, browse your library, or upload several images to create a video slideshow. Once you've chosen your video, select the image you want to show when the video isn't playing, which is before the video starts and after it ends. You can also upload an SRT file to create video captions. The dimensions of the video you upload are important. If your video doesn't fit the dimensions of Instagram, the ads manager will instruct you to change it. Make sure to preview the video before you run the ad and update the text if you need to. Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll go through strategies on getting targeted followers on Instagram. By the end of this tutorial, you'll learn ways to get targeted followers for your business and tools to help you get targeted followers. First of all, you need to know how to make good use of hashtags. While hashtags originated on Twitter, it quickly became an integral part of social media in general. Today, the density and frequency of Instagram hashtags are much greater than on Twitter because companies have realized that the success of an Instagram marketing campaign depends a lot on proper hashtagging. Every time you upload your Instagram content, you can customize your post with short messages and hashtags. The message and hashtag, of course, has to be relevant to your business and brand core identity, and best if it communicates your brand values as well. This is to keep things consistent and build brand awareness amongst your followers. When you hashtag your Instagram uploads, it helps to organize your images and video content so that it becomes accessible to your followers in the future. It also creates its own individual story. How? Well, when an accompanying hashtag is clicked on in Instagram, it'll bring up all the photos that have been hashtagged with the same word, creating a unique visual storyboard. Brands and businesses can leverage this by keeping the hashtags to be the same as their core values and identity. For example, if your brand embodies the values and the spirit of adventure and travel, you can put a unique hashtag that personifies your business. Another example would be if you're selling fashion on Instagram, you would definitely want to hashtag OOTD or OOTN, which is widely known as Outfit of the Day or Outfit of the Night, respectively. To assist you in getting more targeted followers, you can consider Target Grow. It's a tool that targets followers for your Instagram account. All you need to do is enter hashtags relevant to your business, and Target Grow will identify quality targets and enable engagement. New prospects gain awareness of your business and follow you, so you can engage and convert them. Target Grow has a smart targeting system that tunes itself to suit your goals. Plus, the smart algorithm identifies the influencers and intenders most relevant to your business. In this way, you're able to gain followers and prospects to increase word of mouth and, of course, your revenue. Welcome back to this video course. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to hold an Instagram contest to gain more exposure. By the end of this video course, things that you'll learn are how to choose a proper contest type and using tools to manage your contest. Instagram contests are a great way to get people talking about your business and increase your followers. If you've ever thought of running Instagram contests, here are some great tools and tips to run a successful contest. If you're planning to run a promotion or contest on Instagram, you'll have to decide what type of contest to run, how it will operate, and how users can participate. Here are two different types of Instagram contests to consider. The first one would be comment on the post contest. This is a popular type of Instagram contest where you ask users to comment on your post. For example, you might ask the audiences to share their experience or story on the comment box, and you'll choose the most unique one to win. Another type of Instagram contest is to ask audiences to post their own photo. For this type of contest, you ask fans to post their own Instagram images along with the contest hashtag. Make it clear to fans which hashtag they should use to participate. And of course, your hashtag should be unique and extremely distinguishable. An exclusive contest hashtag makes it easier for you to find them and lets you know who's entering the contest. For example, Sephora is running an Instagram contest on Christmas, and they're giving out Kat Von D's lipstick. Fans are required to hashtag Kat Von D Sephora giveaway. This is how you make good use of a unique hashtag. Because Instagram has made it clear that they won't be associated with or help support any contests on the platform, all of the tools available for managing contests are from third-party companies. Here are two to consider. First up, let's take a look at Gleam. Gleam's contest platform makes it easy to host a contest on Instagram and comes with a ton of helpful features. The company boasts an average of 4 actions per user in their competitions. The interface is easy to use and straightforward, featuring a dashboard with current and scheduled competitions. It allows you to specify start and end dates for your contest, set terms and conditions, and add age restrictions. Additionally, you can offer other ways to participate, choose what actions users need to take, and specify the number of winners. Gleam allows you to place a widget on your blog to encourage users to enter the contest. You can also capture lead information from users, such as name and email address. Next up, Woobox offers hashtag photo sharing contests where you designate a specific hashtag fans must use. Woobox features cross-platform integration and it's mobile compatible. You have the option to set an age restriction, manually approve entries, limit the contest to 1 entry per customer, and collect valuable lead information. You can try Woobox for free. However, with upgraded plans starting at $30 a month, you'll get more features, including a higher participant threshold, more brand pages per account, and more apps and contests. Look, growing a business is never easy. You've got to have what it takes to make it happen. A determined mind, the amount of time spent, and the level of effort you've given will all be paid off at the end of the day. But most importantly, you got to have the passion and have faith in everything you do, not just for your business, but every single thing in your life does matter. Believe in what you can do. Brace yourself. You're ready to shine. All right, that's the end of the Instagram series for this video training course. Thanks for your attention, and I hope to see you again in my next video.